Welcome, Scorpio, to Miss Amazing Tarot. We're just going to tap in to your energy and see what messages the universe has for you. Hope all of you are doing well. Let's see what's going on in the ethers for you. Hope everyone's doing amazing, including you, cross watcher. See you sitting back there. You're more than welcome to hang out. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, let's see. What was the first card? 4 Cups. Some of you not really feeling it. Pulling back your energy a little bit. Clarifying the 4 Cups for Scorpio. Well, the universe got something coming in that's gonna make you happy. Having some regrets, mulling over the past, just thinking about disappointment. Now you disappointed and guarded. Okay. Who pissed you off? Because whatever it is, the universe is asking for you to have patience. Like I said, somebody pissed you off. There was something. You know who you are, Scorpio. Empress energy here. They know who you are. That's why I said they. 6 of Cups. You may have pulled back your energy. Maybe after an argument, some disappointment, kind of put up your guards. Tried to show patience, maybe. Well, who argues with the Empress? You may have pulled your energy back from this person because of that. It's like, I know who I am. I hate to say it, but I'm not going to argue with common folk. And you setting boundaries may have, caused some disappointment or, may have disappointed you to do so. Because I can tell you, Scorpios don't like being mean to people that they love. Because a Scorpio knows how it feels to be on the other side of their stinger, because a Scorpio will sting themselves before letting anybody else sting them. So Scorpio know, and they don't change the potency or anything. They are just, Scorpio is just as harsh on themselves as they are everybody else. People just don't know that. So when we in that darkness and we going through that time, we get on ourselves. We be kicking our own ass. We get down in the trenches and we face it head on. We don't sugarcoat it. We don't make it easy for ourselves. We put ourselves through the same challenges that we put everybody else through, if not more. That's probably why I've always said, like, tears don't. I used to say this to people, like, tears don't affect me, especially when it's an adult crying or one. It's just like that don't affect me. I got kids. Like, that doesn't affect me because I know what I've been through, and me being a mother or my children having a Scorpio as a mother, they tough as cookies. But I'm sweet as pie when it come to them though. But they've been on both sides. They know, and I know. And I have a parent who's double air, sun and moon. And the Aquarius is the moon part. So you already know the lack thereof when it comes to emotion. But for a Scorpio to pull their emotions back, that hurts a Scorpio. It disappoints them. No lie. No lie. It hurts a Scorpio to pull back that energy from somebody that they love. Because a Scorpio knows when they pull it back, that detriment. And that's maybe what you're doing. You have pulled back so a person could understand or see what lack feels like. So if they're not getting this abundant overall energy from you or being able to harvest your energy, then yeah, somebody gonna be a little upside down. And being upside down, sometimes you get to see a different perspective. You gain a new perspective. And with the Ace of Swords here, this person is gaining a new perspective or gaining some clarity. Because you got the Four of Cups, the Five of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Yeah, this person is coming back. Mm. That's you there, Scorpio. Or you could be dealing with another Scorpio or someone who has a lot of love for you. There's that Tower. And Jesus, you got Scorpio. Look at this monkey shit. And the Emperor himself. Look at this right here. Under the Six of Cups, you have Scorpio, King of Cups, Scorpio, the Tower, Scorpio, Judgment. Scorpio, you all up and through here. Your energy, your transformational energy. I was, you know what? And I was going to sit here and say maybe some of you guys did this, pull back your energy to teach this person a lesson. And maybe and I was going to think that maybe the universe has something to do with it as far as the temperance. But okay. Can't nobody else get an emperor to move, blink, reconsider, even get another word in edgewise after he says what it is that he say. Because once the emperor says what he says, that's it. Ain't no changing, ain't no negotiating, ain't no compromising. But every man has a weakness. Every emperor has a weakness. Every kingdom has a soft spot. This is this emperor's soft spot. And Scorpio, I think you knew not only just who you are, but that the only way for your emperor to hear you is not through talking, not through rebuttal, not with fact PowerPoint, because you know a Scorpio will go all in. The only way that emperor was going to hear what his empress had to say if she pulled her hands off the table. And you gave him something to think about. And underneath this Six of Cups energy, let me remind you, Scorpio is the King of Cups. Yeah, we're loving. But that tower, we will blow this bitch up. And when we make our decision, it is final. And I think that emperor realized that you would walk away from this connection. That's what they thinking. Let's see, Emperor, Eight of Cups, Four of Wands, Lovers. That you'll walk away if they don't work on immaturity. And you gave them something to think about, and here they come. You know it. You know they're coming. Hold on to you for dear because you pulled back. You pulled back your energy and you gave it time. I don't know why I just heard you gave him time to sit in it. It's like a punishment almost. You know how back in the day you get in trouble and you get on punishment. And it's always the wrong time, right? Middle of the summer, some crazy shit like that. But give them time to think about some things. Like, grandma used to make you stand in the corner with a book. I used to have a babysitter. Lord rest her soul. Miss Marshall. Yeah, she used to make us sit at the top of the steps. At first, we used to play around and, but then it was like, I ain't about to waste my day sitting at the top of the steps watching everybody go by, go outside, play, and I'm still sitting at the top of the steps. Back in the day, they had that shag carpet, sitting there, back on her. You don't realize it when you like 5 or 6 years old that sitting on the steps and sliding up and down the steps is going to haunt you later on. But I tell you one thing, taught me patience. And it's like, I think that's what this person needed to be instead of arguing, instead of coming back with a rebuttal, I think just some of you just pulled back and went quiet. Because you knew who you were. And it's like, I'm not about to argue. Arguing was beneath you. Yeah. Temperance. Maybe some of you try to be patient in the midst of arguments and maybe you end up getting hurt or you just feel like you're not getting anywhere. You end up disappointed. Temperance. Mm. I was gonna say with the temperance here, maybe this person, give it time. This person will come around or get it together. So come in and Coming back, maybe to want to move things to calmer waters. Or when it came to this disagreement with this person, King Cups of Pisces, there's Scorpio here, death, again, Scorpio, all up and through here. Scorpio could have been like, you know what? I'm just going to move on. Like, until you come in with a cup, I ain't got nothing to say, because swords is mental. So just the mental part of dealing with this situation, you just deaded it. Like, I got other things I could focus on, and I'm going to move forward to focus on and allow the universe to take care of this situation. 4 cups again. Some of y'all ain't in the mood at all for the BS. Now I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Empress. And some of you are Earth Angel. And what you could have done was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna focus. I'm gonna pull back. You just walked away from the situation and focus on yourself and try to bring yourself back in balance, or to focus on your peace. Yeah, you separated yourself and just, kept moving. And then again, the justice allowing the universe to take care of the situation. You couldn't be dealing with the earth sign. I mean, the emperor at the bottom there is Aries energy. You do have argumentative card of the fire signs, which is the 5 of Wands. So you could be dealing with a fire sign, somebody who's very argumentative. Hangman. Stuck like Chuck trying to figure out what's going on. Hangman. Mm. Stuck. Heartbroken. Because you pull back your energy. What's at the bottom? 9 of Swords, not being able to sleep, having high anxiety. Ace of Swords. Learning that the only person they disappointed was themselves. Wanting a new beginning, wanting clarity about some type of union, relationship, home dynamic. This person could have a lot of burdens, and that could be the fear, a lot of challenges. Empress again. Meanwhile, you're over here investing and putting in the work to be happy. You know this person holding on to you and ain't letting you go. Here they come. You know they coming. that's stuck in their head, trying to use the same mind to fix the problem that they did to create it. Coming in to maybe be honest that they need some help. That's crazy. Let's see who the Six of Cups is. Who is the Six of Cups? Why is this here? What's the Six of Cups? The person who's stuck. Somebody you are protecting yourself from because they're not seeing things clearly. And you may be trying to been showing some type of patience, trying to be helpful, an earth angel, all this stuff, and this person they want to come back and kind of balance things out. But then this person could have been breadcrumbing. Maybe that's another thing. You getting shortchanged and have to deal with arguments and a person's ego, and I can see why some of you put up your guards with the Seven of Wands. You know they want to come back and talk. Some of you may decide to want to be single and keep your boundaries set because it's just mm, may decide to just when they're coming in to talk, but you may communicate to them that you just may want to remain single and keep those boundaries up because there's too much. And the third party could be family, kids, baby mama, whatever, ego, arguments, whatever. It's just too much to deal with. Well, there you have it. The world. End of a cycle. Chariot here at the bottom with the Wheel of Fortune. You may decide to go in a whole different direction. Whole new, and it's Five of Cups. This person's going to be disappointed because they didn't put the work in. Maybe seek counseling or some type of help, or actually, help put some work in, teamwork to make it work. Well, let's get some angel answers to see what advice we have for this one. What other messages do you have for Scorpio regarding this situation? Let's see, Scorpio. Within the next few weeks. In the next few weeks. Compromise. A year from now. Maybe the next few weeks, some